अपूर्णता से पूर्णता की ओर. Does a way exist to attain absoluteness from being partial? Consciousness and awareness are the terms that are often used interchangeably. However, consciousness is several levels deeper than awareness. Does this provoke some thoughts in your head and leaves you eager to know more? Here is how you can find all the answers that will give you a sense of self, capability, and acquaintance to know the purpose of your existence. Presenting a small book that may provide you all the required enlightenment to uplift your consciousness to attain absoluteness. Below are few excerpts from this wonderful book. One's external appearance may cause illusion. However, the level of one's internal consciousness drives their actions and reflects in their character. One word that aptly describes spirituality is the highest consciousness. The ultimate reality is the highest consciousness. We all are mere collection of small particles arranged in a pattern in it. If one's personality is corrupted with the defects of ill practices in other important areas of life, it is certain that their overall success in life will remain partial throughout. The universal law is to keep sacrificing and detaching the past and choosing the present. Elevation in consciousness is only possible if we are willing to shift from old to new. Self expansion is attained through being in service to other, and there is not other, the entire universe in our own extension. Everything in the world is constantly changing, and resistance to this change is the only cause of misery in human life. The book is divided into the below chapters to share complete wisdom on attaining absoluteness even from what we have and where we are. 1. From partial to absoluteness. 2. Highest relevance of life. 3. Perceiving the meanness of humans. 4. The foundation of overall development. 5. Attaining freedom through sacrifice. 6. Principle of sacrifice. 7. Contentment through self consciousness. 8. Appeal for absoluteness.